Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Dream Cars. The Chevrolet Impala SS has long been revered as a symbol of American muscle and luxury, combining a smooth, refined ride with raw power under the hood. For 2026, Chevrolet has decided to bring back the iconic Impala SS 396 with a stunning blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or a modern performance junkie, the 2026 Impala SS 396 is poised to be a game-changer. At first glance, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 396 impresses with its striking design, which pays homage to the classic Impala SS models of the 1960s. The bulb front grille, sculpted body lines, and rear fender flares give it an unmistakable retro flair. However, this is far from just a retro-inspired vehicle. The car is built on a modern platform that incorporates contemporary aerodynamics, LED lighting, and aggressive stance, making it clear that this is a high-performance machine designed for today's driving enthusiasts. The sleek exterior is complemented by premium finishes, from chrome accents to performance-grade paint options, making sure the 2026 Impala SS 396 not only stands out on the road but also commands attention. Powertrain: under the hood of the 2026 Impala SS 396 lies a powerhouse of an engine, the legendary 6.6-liter V8, a direct descendant of the iconic 396 cubic inch engine. This modern take on a classic engine has been finely tuned to produce 480 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque. Engine is paired with an aim-speed automatic transmission and improved acceleration to purists who crave a more hands-on driving experience. Thanks to the advanced engineering of the 396 V8 engine, the 2026 Impala SS 396 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, offering exhilarating performance on both straightaways and tight corners. A robust exhaust system ensures that every rev of the engine provides an unforgettable soundtrack. While the 2026 Impala SS 396 is a tribute to the golden age of American muscle cars, it also goes to a suite of modern features aimed at improving both driver experience and safety. Inside, the cabin exudes luxury with leather seating, a customizable digital dashboard, and premium materials. The driver-centric cockpit features intuitive controls and a heads-up display for key vehicle information. In terms of technology, the Impala SS 396 is equipped with Chevrolet's latest infotainment system, including a 12-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 360-degree camera system for the audiophile. The car is also available with a high-end Bose sound system, delivering crisp, immersive sound whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the car to its limits. The 2026 Impala SS 396 also includes a suite of advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, making it a safe and sophisticated option for muscle car lovers. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 396 isn't just about raw power, it's also engineered for precision handling. A fully independent suspension system, performance brakes, and a limited slip rear differential all contribute to its exceptional road grip and cornering capabilities. The car's advanced traction control and magnetic ride control suspension system ensure that whether you're on the open highway or navigating twisty back roads, 396 delivers a smooth control and responsive driving experience. The car's rear-wheel drive layout combined with performance-tuned suspension gives the driver a connection to the road that's both thrilling and confident. Drivers will find themselves effortlessly navigating tight curves and enjoying an ultra-smooth ride on long trips. Pricing and availability: Chevrolet is expected to price the 2026 Impala SS 396 starting around $55,000, with higher trims and performance packages pushing the price toward the $70,000 range. With limited availability, this car is expected to be a sought-after model for collectors and performance enthusiasts alike. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 396 is a perfect blend of history and innovation, combining the visceral appeal of classic muscle cars with the convenience and performance of modern engineering. You're drawn to the roaring V8 engine, the luxurious interior, or the advanced technology. The Impala SS 396 is a car that will not only excite you on the road but also turn heads wherever you go. If you're a fan of American muscle or simply someone looking for a thrilling, powerful ride, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS * is a striking comeback for this iconic sedan, now with a modern twist. Sporting a bold exterior with sharp, aerodynamic lines and a distinctive front grille, the 2026 Impala SS is designed for both performance and style. Under the hood, it packs a powerful engine that delivers thrilling acceleration and top-notch driving dynamics. Inside, you'll find a luxurious cabin equipped with the latest tech features, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system and advanced safety technology. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking sharp turns, the 2026 Impala SS offers a perfect blend of comfort, performance, and sophistication. The 2026 Impala SS 396 is undoubtedly worth the wait. Thanks for watching time, and don't forget like and share and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars for more car reviews, updates and see in the road. Enjoying this video.